Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync Alexa devices. First, open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the Devices icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen, and tap it. Next, you'll want to select the plus icon, which typically appears in the top right corner. This action allows you to add a new device or create a group, setting the stage for seamless multi-device control. To set up multi-room music, select Combine Speakers from the options, then choose Multi-Room Music. The app will then display a list of your available Alexa devices. Simply tap on each device you want to include in this new group. Once you've selected all your desired devices, give your multi-room music group a memorable name, like Downstairs Speakers or Whole House Audio. For a more immersive audio experience, you can create a stereo pair. From the Combine Speakers menu, select Stereo Pair/Subwoofer. You'll need two identical Alexa devices for this, such as two Echo Dots or two Echo Studios. The app will guide you to assign one device as the left audio channel and the other as the right, creating a rich, balanced soundstage for your music. If you encounter issues, first ensure all your Alexa devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, regularly check for and install any available software updates for both your Alexa app and your devices to ensure optimal performance. Sometimes a simple restart of your devices or router can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your synced Alexa experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.